RESPOSCY is a collective effort bringing together marine biologists, researchers, and trained volunteer divers with a single goal: to restore the Posidonia meadows of Cyprus. Your role is simple and important. Help harvest and transplant seagrass safely, carefully, and consistently following the project protocol. Every dive starts with planning. Before entering the water, you'll receive a short briefing covering the day's objectives, the safety plan and roles, the exact pre-selected donor site, and the pre-marked restoration plots. All dives for this project will be in shallow water, up to 15 meters. A support boat will remain on standby with essential safety equipment, including first aid and emergency oxygen. Underwater, always work in pairs and maintain neutral buoyancy. The seabed is part of the habitat. Avoid fin kicks, dragging gear, or stirring up sediment. If it happens, slow down and adjust. You will harvest only from marked donor areas approved by the project team. Target the strongest plagiotropic shoots, the ones that grow horizontally at the edges of the meadows. They tend to have higher energy reserves and often perform better after transplantation. Healthy shoots with intact roots and rhizomes have a better chance of reattaching and surviving. Do not pull aggressively or damage the surrounding life. Gently free the shoot while keeping the roots intact and the leaves undamaged. If you are unsure whether a shoot is suitable, leave it and ask the dive leader. Place them carefully into your collection buckets, taking care not to compress them. Treat every piece as a living plant. When harvesting is complete, confirm with your buddy, then begin your ascent as planned. Follow the project protocol for a slow ascent and a 3-minute safety stop at 5 meters. On the boat, report how many shoots you collected so the team can keep track and plan the restoration work. Transfer to the planting site must be swift, and shoots must be kept submerged in seawater and shaded to reduce heat and stress. For longer transfers, insulated containers may be used to help maintain stable temperature.